like stop here. We can see the thing like last week.
It's pretty cool.
I'm thinking if we actually walk down.
Right. Like, what's up, dude? You can't just toss your bottle in the middle of the mountain.
Okay, it's Earth. I'm sure it's pretty big out here.
Dude, are you serious? Man,
Like, but I'm thinking,
seriously, pick that up. Dude, you can't. Nobody else is gonna pick that up. You can't just leave it here.
no, dude. Are you being serious?
Pick up your trash, man. You can't leave your trash lying around.
That's funny because you kind of look like trash right now.
Dude.